I'm Jasmine, and today we're going to be going over Chapter 7, 7.3, Bone Development and Growth. We are going to try and distinguish between intramembraneous and endochondral bones and explain how such bones develop and grow. So to start off with this presentation, we're going to talk about bone development. Portions of the skeletal system start to shape during the first few weeks of pre-birth, and hard structures proceed to develop and form into adulthood. Bones form when bone tissue replaces existing connective tissue in one of two ways, which is intrabraneous ossification or endochondral ossification. And ossification is a bone formation. So the intrabraneous bone originates within sheet-like layers of connective tissue. Some examples of this bone are the skull, your clavicles, the sternum, and some facial bones. The intrabraneous ossification begins during fetal development. So as soon as your baby is in you and starts to grow, that's when ossification begins. We build up the baby as big as it could get, and we build its skeletal system. The endochondral bones begin at the masses of hyaline cartilage, which are later on replaced by bone tissue. Some examples are the base of the skull and long bones. But in general, most bones are endochondral bones, which develop in the fetuses from masses of hyaline cartilage shaped like future bony structures. They continue to develop all the way till puberty, and these types of bones grow fast and change throughout time. When you break your arm, the bone changes, or like you bump your knee, you get little dents in your bones. Well, little things. So to answer the big question, intravenous bones start off as spongy bone and may become compact bones as space is filled with bone matrix. These are also bones formed by osteoblasts, while endochondral develop from masses of hyaline cartilage. The cartilage dies and degenerates, and ossification begins. Endochondral bones start when you're replacing cartilage. This process takes longer than intramembraneous. And that's the end.